Welcome to Always Dolls and thanks for stopping by. Today we have a fun food craft showing you how to make your American Girl doll a delicious grilled cheese sandwich from basic materials. This quick and easy craft makes the perfect meal on the go. If you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to support our channel. Our doll DJ is getting hungry, so let's get making! To start, you need a kitchen sponge and a sandwich slice template. We used this American Girl piece for reference and traced it onto paperboard. You can find a printable link in the description box. Use the template to trace 4 bread slices onto your sponge. Then cut them out. Next, prep the sponge with a generous layer of liquid glue, ensuring it gets into all the nooks and crannies. This way, the sponge will dry hard and won't absorb excess paint later. Leave the piece overnight to set. Then we can paint. We want our sandwich to look like white bread, so gave the top and sides of each slice a thick coat of white paint. When the paint has completely dried, assemble your sandwich using hot glue to join the 2 pieces of sponge together. Following this, draw a wiggly line of hot glue across the seam to imitate melted cheese oozing out of the bread. Repeat this step with your remaining pieces for your second sandwich slice. Paint the raised glue area yellow. It may take a few layers for the colour to become opaque. Now apply your yellow paint to the centre top of the sandwich. While the paint is still wet, switch to a medium brown and apply this around the edges. Aim to blend your brown into your yellow so there are no harsh lines where the colours overlap. Paint the 2 adjacent sides brown, but leave the long side white. Finally, dry brush with a darker brown shade to show even more of the sponge's texture and mimic that grilled bread look. Excellent! Who would have thought you could transform a humble kitchen sponge into a delicious meal for your dolls? Have fun making this quick and easy food craft today! Thanks for joining me, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!